Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. Yeah, man, thank you for stopping by. So right now I am in Mandeville, Manchester, in one place in them car named George's Valley. Yeah, man, George's Valley. So if you're just stopping by, you can kindly subscribe to the channel if you like the channel. True Jamaican Vibes. So take a tour of George's Valley. Yeah, man, everybody hear about them place, yeah. So I'm taking the time out to show you what I go on at George's Valley in Manchester. So guys, you can tell me what you think about this area, guys. So when you're in George's Valley, it's about 7 minutes drive to Mandeville town. So I'm gonna take you to the Mandeville town area from George's Valley. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, say, I take the time out to show my fans them how Jamaica set up. So you can know Jamaica before you come to Jamaica. Know lot of different areas in Jamaica, guys. So the right turn will take you all to 7th Street. If you make a right turn, will take you all to 7th Street. Yeah, man. So for the know Mandeville, look here, I know say that's our name 7th Street in Manchester, guys. Yeah, man, Manchester, you know. On your left, you have the Hood Line, Phase 2. Yeah, man, you have to watch out for them cars. I'm a paper, very dangerous hill. Yeah, a lot of taxi man just fly over them places. You don't even check them speed. So you have to be very careful. So this is our beautiful Jamaica, guys. Yeah, man, anyone now watch from, big up on yourself. Yeah, our brother, big up on yourself. One love and one heart, my paper. Yeah, man. So if you love this channel, just give it a big thumbs up, free of cost. Yeah, this is your Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. Man, that's a, give them gentlemen some way. So a lot of people hear about the DC school. Yeah man, so them call it the Carchet school. It's right on your left, coming up. Yeah man, so on your left you have the DC school. Big up all the DC people them. One love and one heart of paper. Yeah man, so I'm taking you through Mandeville town area. Because I don't want to know the place, you know, so many different angles they can use in Manchester to reach different location in Mandeville, Manchester, them place there, you know. So we're heading towards the Pro Hardware area, guys. Yeah man, so now supposed to know for the ones in the lumber and stuff, they can come at Pro Hardware and get in the lumber, you know. So we're having some nice weather today in Mandeville, Manchester, guys. Very, very nice weather today. So on your left, yeah man, you have the Pro Hardware, and also you have a gas station right next to Pro Hardware, guys. So it's a Texaco gas station. Yeah man, remember something I take you through Mandeville and show you what I go on. So if you all want to buy a piece of property in the Georges Valley area, you know exactly how to get around to Mandeville town, guys. So this is beautiful Jamaica. Yeah man, we love the island here. It's just some positive vibes on the channel. No negative vibes around here.
By becoming the first and only car in the nation.
Anyway guys, I'm gonna make a left turn. Now take another town area today. Show you some different place from the town area, you know. On your left, you have the Grove Lane. On your left, you have the Grove Heights. So guys, we're very close to the Mega Mart area. So I'm gonna take you right onto the Wards Avenue in Mandeville, guys. Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah man, so you have to care for mommy. Yeah man, make sure so mommy alright on the road. So I'm gonna make a left turn, guys. We'll take you on to Wards Avenue. Wards Avenue, guys. So now you're beautiful Jamaica with Fire Reid. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So this is Wards Avenue. So always leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think about this channel. what you would like me to do. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. So guys, yes, we're still on Wards Avenue. I know a lot of people forget them area, so you have a Wards Avenue in Mandeville, Manchester. So guys, we're on 5 West Road, guys. We're on 5 West Road in Mandeville, Manchester. 5 West Road. So thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, have a blessed day. Peace and out. One love, one heart with Fire Reid. Blessings.